Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? Shiba Inu will lost now minus 0.18% in last 1 hour, but definitely, my friend, if we just only check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, you can see here minus 3.97% lost now. But if we just only check out the last 1 month chart, so minus 25.35% lost now. That's clear to Shiba Inu is all month lost and lost and lost. So why holders? I can't expect this to. Why, my brother, holders are take a risk, my brother? Just in only, as you can see here, the chart result. This is not a fact. This is just an only reality of Shiba Inu. You can see, my brother, and I can't expect this from Shiba Inu. You know, today I'm also holder of Shiba Inu, but I can't expect this from Shiba Inu. Today will fail us down all month. So this is a very shameful coin, my brother. But I can't see, my brothers, this type of coin, my brother, in a crypto market. You can see here. But today I'm also expect from Shiba Inu today will give me a profit. You know why? Because the volume of Shiba Inu coin, the circulation supply of Shiba Inu coin, the Cardano, the Shiba Inu team is hard work. When I see these all, my brothers, so then they will, my friend, motivate me, and absolutely I decide to this is good, my brother, and I hold it, and I cannot sell it, my brother. And definitely when a holder are starting selling, so they will fail us down. But if a holder are starting, my brother, buying, investing more and more, so they will moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my brothers, too. Sometime every coin will fail us down, but not like Shiba Inu. Absolutely, my brothers. I will ask you, my brothers, to can really after this, my brother, you will be going to invest in Shiba Inu. Please share me, my brother, your opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying. My opinion is to please hold. Please hold. I hope, my brother, one time is coming to they will give you a very good profit, and they will blooms up, and they will go in the moon now. So please, I trust you, my brother. Please trust me, my brother, to what I talk you. I hope in upcoming time Shiba Inu price will be increasing, because just and only, my brother, Shiba Inu will fail down very fastly. So I hope, my brothers, they will moving in upward direction, because after a dumps every coin will pumps up. So therefore I know too they will moving in upward direction. Thanks for watching Shiba Inu caller. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more of this type urgent and updates videos.